Hey, welcome back to another video. Today there's a new Roblox promo code. Well, you're gonna see what it called. I need to go to the washroom. I'm back. So it's my so the code is I'm gonna share that this is the already code redeem. It gives this thing, this donut thingy. I will just the end of the video. Wait, no. I'm also gonna do a God Simulator 2 code. This is the only working pet code. Well, actually, I redeemed and gave it to someone that gave me a very OP pet, and it cost like 500,000 coins and 50,000 coins. He gave me two OP pets like that. I gave him a group pet. So I gave someone the pets that he gave me, and then the other person gave me this sherbet pets. So the pet code is, first of all I gotta go to codes. The pet code is, oh wait, there's the pet code, wait, no. Is the pet code. Okay, so that's it, bye bye, I don't care, I've been here before, blah blah blah. Why isn't YouTube pausing? Why isn't the video pausing? It's not pausing. Game. Okay, so you have to wait here for 15 minutes. Ignore that.
Hi Abdullah. What? What?
Oh my god, get out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft. What do you mean? The mic is on, idiot.
Hey YouTube. Hey.
Oh, okay, when it's done, I am deleting it, making it.
Webcam के सामने वॉइस ऑन करो कैमरा ऑफ
Why?
बस मार दूंगा
Well, I don't care about it. Huh?
शक्ल लोग फिर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं एक्चुअली स्टोर
Oh. No. If my friends and everywhere. Except the viewers. And also subscribe. And when you're going to the cinema, you can just copy this. Wait, you can copy this. You can copy this. It's not working, so I'm just gonna eat this over there. Look, he didn't eat. Okay, so now I'm just gonna play a game for no reason. You don't ask me anything. I'm just gonna play Spruced Roblox Fortnite. LOL. Okay. Can eat it. He's my best friend. I am. Okay, so I'm just gonna play Spruced while I'm eating chocolate. Oh, how did I get killed? Spawn. Fortnite.